There are two ways to run installer setup, through the Resideo Pro app and manually on the device. When using the app, you can apply a template, run system test mode, apply Pro IQ Analyze or Engage, and invite your customer to the First Alert app. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Resideo Pro app to set up ElitePRO thermostats and connect to Pro IQ Analyze or Engage. Open the Resideo Pro app or download first if needed. Select Setup Product and choose the ElitePRO thermostat you're installing. Make sure the thermostat is mounted and powered on. Select the language on the thermostat. Choose the type of installation and select the room where the thermostat will be located. Add RedLink devices. Connect the EIM now if applicable. Add RedLink devices now, or you can set them up later. Tap Using the app on the thermostat. Select the thermostat you're working on. Enter the security code from the thermostat. The thermostat connects to the mobile device. Select Basic Install if the homeowner already has a First Alert app account or if the customer is unknown. Select Full Service to create a new First Alert app account for the homeowner and register the device to that account. Select Configuration to set up ISU settings or templates to apply an ISU template. See Create a Template in Resideo Pro app video to learn more about templates. Once you have selected the ISU settings or chosen a template, a configuration summary displays. Select Apply. You can test the fan, heating, cooling, and IAQ devices if installed using System Test Mode. This is optional. Connect the device to Wi-Fi by selecting the Wi-Fi network and entering the password. This is optional for a basic install. If the customer has already been entered into the Pro portal, select the customer from this list. If this is a new construction, select Customer Unknown. Otherwise, select Add Account to enter the homeowner's email they'd like to use for their First Alert by Resideo app and send them an invite to complete device setup. Select a location for the customer or add a new one. For basic install, ask the homeowner to scan the QR code to receive an invite to their device. Select Full Service Customer Account. If the customer has already been entered into the Pro portal, select the customer from this list. Otherwise, select Add Account to enter the homeowner's email, name, and address information they'd like to use for their First Alert by Resideo app and send them an invite to complete device setup. Create the customer's account. Register the device. Commission the account to send an email to the customer on their First Alert app account. Send the invite to the customer. Disconnect from the device. The homeowner receives an email prompting them to open the First Alert app and create a password. Their new thermostat will be set up in their First Alert app. If your company's Resideo Pro account has subscribed to Pro IQ Analyze or Engage, this process enables homeowner app branding. The customer will get asked to accept the branding. If you do not have access to the Resideo Pro app, you can set up the ISU settings on the thermostat instead. Thank you for watching.